Hi everyone, this spaceship part in front of me is Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro AXE5400. In this video I will show you how to set up this mesh Wi-Fi router. Let's get into it right now. This device doesn't have any buttons on its body, so all control is done through the smartphone application only, but first let's connect the router physically. So you have the power cable in the box, connect it like this and plug in the other end into a power outlet like this and wait for the white signal, white indicator over here. The device is powered on. Now let's connect to the internet, to your router. Get the Ethernet cable from the box and plug into the left socket with the earth icon over here. This is the input. And the other end of this cable you need to plug in to your Wi-Fi modem or router or to LAN socket in your wall. Make sure you have the internet access to continue, and now let's continue on your smartphone. You need to install Google Home application from App Store or Google Play Store on Android devices, so just install this app. Then open it. Allow to find devices on local networks, this is necessary. Allow to find Bluetooth devices. Now tap on Get Started and select an account you wish to use with this application and with this device, or you can tap on Use another account and log in to different one. So let me select my account, tap on I agree. Now you need to create your first home if you don't have one in this app. So let's create home, enter home nickname. Tap on Next. You can enter your home address or skip this step for now. Let's skip. Continue anyway if you wish to skip. Now select your home over here, hit Next. Once again, Next. Welcome to Google Home. You can choose your favorites later. To cancel this action, tap on Cancel at the top left. And now switch to Devices tab and tap on Add Device in the middle of the screen. Make sure you have blinking blue indicator on your router and select Google Nest or partner device. Now select your home over here and hit Next. Keep in mind that you will be temporarily connected to this network to set up your Wi-Fi system. So hit on Next. Google Home would like to access the camera. Yes, you need to allow this because you have to scan QR code on the device. So tap on Scan Code, take your router and scan the code on its bottom. So now it's connecting, just be patient and wait for a while. Now you need to create your Wi-Fi network name. Let's name it Google Nest. Hit Next, enter password. I'm using simple password in this example. I hope you will create a stronger one. Once you're done, hit Next. Turn on Wi-Fi router endpoint usage stats. So if you want to send usage reports to Google, press I'm in or press no thanks if you don't wish. So I'm in, why not? Turn on Nest Wi-Fi cloud services. So if you decline these services will work not correctly. So if you wish to use one of these services, I recommend you to tap on Yes, I'm in. Now where is this device? Specify the device location. Let it be in family room. Hit Next. And it's creating your Wi-Fi network now. So wait for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. Now Google Home wants to join Wi-Fi network, so allow this. Join, it's connecting. Now it's connected, but there are a few more things to do, I think. Yes, wait for the final parts of setup to complete. You're suggested to set up another Wi-Fi device, so if you have few Google Nest Wi-Fi routers, you can connect them into one mesh system. And don't forget that you can establish the wired connection, so you need to plug in the Ethernet cable to this output, and on another router plug in the other end to the input. Wired connection is always faster. So let's tap no in our case, because we have just only one router, and allow access to the network. Tap allow. Your Wi-Fi network is up to date, whatever it means. Now here is your summary: Wi-Fi network name, Wi-Fi password, and location. So tap continue over here. Now you're all set, and you can connect any Wi-Fi device to this network. To enter the device settings, stay on Devices tab, tap on your device name. This is your device status. Tap on the gear icon. Here you can find information about your device, including IP addresses. Scroll down to Restart Network, Factory Reset Network, or Open Network Settings. Here you can change password, change network name, set up guest network, and so on, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next video. Bye.